1, 2, 3. So Blaze here has just whipped out one hell of a drill.
Yeah.
Well, there's no way we won't be able to drill through anything.
Drill into concrete with this shit.
That's ridiculous.
Break my wrist though, that's what I'm scared about.
All the RPMs.
Alright, so yeah,
Check that.
Word.
Hole is already marked?
No, not yet. So that's the wing that's going on. These are the wheels that are going on, but we're being ricey and we're gonna paint them gold first. I'm gonna swing by a shop my buddy works at later today, pick up some tires for him.
That'll work. Just not sure we have a big enough drill.
Oh no, we might need a slightly bigger drill.
Can we call fire department, give like the job of life?
Alright.
Just hang on to it. Deep drills like that.
Oh, they need a check key?
Yeah, I like ones you just like, just like wrench it down with your hand. This is the old ones anyway, that's how it is. Probably has more torque than my car.
Fuck off, mate.
Wait, you need,
Right.
you need the round ones
Yeah.
for aerodynamics, right?
Yes. Weight reduction. Okay. Let's line
Alright.
line this wing up.
Use the paint and shit and line the motherfucker up.
Cool.
Start drilling.
I think we're gonna put paint pen on the bolts or something like that.
So yeah, see, this is the same thing that happened to me as this one. You need to go outward, like I'd say, just like the thickness of the bolt head, right? So you see how it's like going that way almost? This one's straight, that one's angled.
Right.
Where's the other fourth bolt? Oh, there's a bunch right there.
That's stripped. The bolt just goes right through it.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, same as when I used it. Okay.
I'll just tap it to like a 7. Yeah, I'll just tap it to like a 7 sometime.
Yeah.
No
Is
big
that
deal.
ever really gonna happen with 3 of them in there, nice and torqued down?
Nope. No, it will literally never happen.
And that silicone stuff was me, actually.
So I just cover.
Yeah, just
The bolts
I'll prime it a
yeah.
bunch of times. Are we ready?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's like sopping wet.
Beautiful. And we just gotta get it nice and lined up.
We gotta drop it down dead straight.
Yeah. All right.
This is literally a drill press for your hand.
All right, I'm gonna lower it down. You guys just guide me. How far forward? How far back?
Start dropping it. That's good.
That's pretty symmetrical, I think. Oh, that should be great.
So what way do I have to drill on what side on this one? Okay.
Wow, that worked out fantastic. Look at that.
Right here?
That
I'd say
marks.
so, yeah.
Perfect mark.
It's gonna be covered by a spoiler if you have to Swiss cheese it.
We'll just silicone around the holes.
Go for it. Kind of a bit, it's not in there very well.
And what side on this one?
Actually, it was the,
God damn it, James.
you're supposed to be closer to where the paint is on the rear one, and then what is it? Slightly inward on this one, right? Does that make sense? The way it's angled.
Slightly outward.
Inside the paint, to the left of the paint.
We actually have that bigger drill bit. If it doesn't work, we can give ourselves a lot of room.
I don't give a shit. I mean, we'll just silicone it.
Alright,
Go for it.
What's up?
Go crank it down, mate. You gotta use your muscles.
Babe.
Use more muscles.
Is there more than one hole? Is the trick? You gotta...
Yeah, I did all 3.
Oh, well, there you go. You did the best you could. It's probably because it's such a small bit. I don't know. Probably just you're weak and you just.
Yeah, it's
I'm
tight.
just kidding.
It probably just has so much torque.
Well, it's not spinning very fast, so when there is like an edge, it probably catches it pretty well.
How to dick a perfectly conditioned Integra trunk
I would say.
with Ian Blaze and James.
Yeah, go a little. Here, go a little towards this.
Oh yeah, put it in.
Oh, I put it down.
Sweet.
I'd say just go dead on for the other one.
No,
No,
there's
it
no.
doesn't matter.
We're not doing that because there's no bolt.
There's no hole.
There's no. Yeah. So it's gonna be 3 bolts. True JDM.
How much bolt length?
Weight reduction, exactly.
Then you make carry in the hose for us.
Well, no, but we gotta cut it out to fit everything, don't we? Oh wow! Right at the wiring.
Oh wait, it's right there. You can see through, I bet.
Yeah, totally.
Easy.
Beautiful.
Yep.
That worked out really freaking well.
Should we just bolt through?
So are we doing a long or a short one?
I bet the short ones will be better. Get that out. Something that's He-Man strength.
Wow, both of these.
They.
We might have to cut this out a little bit though.
We can snake it in there.
That's already rusted out so much already.
Oh wait, yeah, we gotta tighten it. I forgot.
Yeah, exactly.
Who put those in there? By hand or with the tool? Because I couldn't.
That was by hand.
Who did it? You?
Gains,
You're
no?
like,
It's like, oh, get in there.
you like cross-thread it by hand. Oh, I can't do it. Nah.
Jesus, Blaze.
Like, it's like, feels like one of those stupid nylon nuts that are awful.
Alright, you have a problem. We're gonna have to cut these.
But what?
Even with the washer and everything on it?
That would
No,
be
it can go really far into the spoiler though.
Can it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
So,
I had crazy long bolts. I just like ran them in. Because it's empty, so it'll just keep going.
alright. So with the 2 washers. Are you using what? I think you're using the super long bolts too, Blaze.
No, I'm not. I'm using the short one.
Are you really? Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah. Alright, cool. And another one. DJ Khaled will be proud. There we go.
I could have paint already, that's cool.
Yep.
Are we doing both of them like that, or one on each side? How's this going?
Well, we gotta make space.
Do the
to
flat
tighten
washer first and then the lock washer.
it, don't we? Gotta cut this shit out to tighten it. So just take the sawzall and
Yeah.
go like this.
That looks like it.
Right.
Should I wait so it doesn't get shaken into the...
Yes, definitely. This one we can hit with an extension.
Okay.
But this one and this one, no, we can't.
Yeah, if you can just put a slit into it and just pry it open, that's exactly what I did. And
Yeah.
it worked fine.
Yeah. When's Paul gonna be here? He would love this.
He said he's coming over about 40 minutes ago. So
Here,
he should be here
film me calling Paul and telling him to get his bitch ass over here. Alright, my hands are pretty dirty, but I'm just gonna text him because he might be taking a nap.
I'm gonna get some Sawzall action then.
So a really bad idea. I need safety glasses.
There's a couple pairs in my car.
I have my pair somewhere.
Look at blades, safety glasses.
I'm gonna degrease these wheels while you're doing that. Pretty sure the towel's more dirty than the wheels are.
Stamps Nation. Does this have like stabilization? Feels like it.
Camera?
Yeah.
It might be. I don't know.
Seems a lot better than a cell phone, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it's just the weight.
It could be, yeah. And you can hold it.
That's kind of sad. You really want to paint them?
Dude, I can strip the paint off at work in 2 minutes.
I know,
if
but
I don't like it.
right now you could just hit it with like a mag polish or whatever, and they would like be like blinging.
That takes so long.
I mean, they're halfway there though. Yeah, I guess whatever.
Yeah. What kind of ricey, not classy.
What are you guys doing to prep? Just cleaning it?
No, I got primer and everything.
Oh, and you're not gonna sand it?
Oh no, probably not gonna sand it. I don't really care.
All right, yeah.
I mean, I didn't get a chance to soda blast the old stuff off of it, so they're not gonna turn out incredible anyways.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like that.
Do you want this recorded? Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna get this, try to get this wing on, and then painting the wheels and stuff. Can we wait until tomorrow?
Yeah.
Sweet. What do you got planned?
Well, we gotta go to the fair.
All right.
Right.
Should I leave then? Whenever you guys do that?
Yeah, because I mean we'll be gone for a while and then probably just come home and go to bed.
Okay, makes sense.
Come tomorrow and do stuff. What do you mean to do? Hold the tank? Yeah. Wait, let me get my sunglasses on.
This is gonna be horrible. Ready?
Oh yeah.
This is very scary.
I'll do it.
Wait a minute. They're brilliant idea.
I was gonna say, what?
Oh, the tip of that blade is so bent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice paint scraper.
Do it that way. It's already pre-rusted. Like butter. There you go. Just spread that open. Grab some pliers. Or
Oh, so close.
really, it's not.
I'm just gonna keep opening it up.
Maybe the blade's not as dull as I thought it was. Shards of metal are hitting me in the arm.
No, I'll just grab that and break it off.
A little bit more.
You're reckless. A little bit more.
I got needles shaving through my fucking arms and face.
Money can't buy custom work like that.
Nope.
Shit's actually pretty thick.
That'll be nice to catch my arm on sometime later.
That's where the rain will come out of.
Custom made throwing stars, JDM.
Yes.
That's right here.
You got that one?
There, that's fine.
Perfect.
Boom! Look, you can see through it.
Should I get this?
No,
You're okay to-
don't
we
see
just
any
need
reason why
we just need to crank them down, right?
Yeah. Alrighty.
Cool.
So,
Let's do a little mock-up right now, yeah?
grab these two over here.
The bolt's still stuck in there with.
Sorry, you guys smell my hands.
Yeah, I'll do.
Can you guys get the one on the other side?
Get this out. Gloves is the key. You got that bolt and washers and stuff? They're over the drill.
There's wiring.
Basically, you guys gotta get a couple threads going and it'll hang away.
You put on that side. Oh yeah, I dented the fuck out of it.
Oh, with the.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? There's a window over now for the there, right?
That bolts the fucking trunk.
Is it hanging out the side of the phone? Tell me when it's getting like about close.
Well, it's not going to because this bottom one on there is
Pretty close.
yeah, look at it. On the side. That's the angle. On the other side of the thing.
About 2 volts.
Okay.
So what then? Just take it back off? God damn it. I'll save it.
Let me grab the big pop-up now. You gotta go down?
Yeah, okay.
Damn it.
What the?
There's a bolt in there now.
Why is it?
Did you do that before?
You guys build it?
We have a spare one right here for me.
Oh, no. We do it. Yeah, we do. We have one right here.
I got this motherfucker.
Oh, what we don't have is extra washers and nuts. Your washers are. Dang.
Yeah, we do. Why didn't you use 2 lock buttons and 2 windows?
Oh, right, because we have, yes. Whoa, it's not far off? It was really far off. It was literally like... I think we can cut this out a little bit more.
Well, because after we get this thing on
Well, that's gonna take more than like an hour long. Wait, what did it? You're on there?
we'll just cram.
Oh, you're here, man. How far off is it? It's not too bad. Not bad. The longer one might have to help. Like we need to as soon as we finish with this.
Make sure you don't set the on
Bunch of the threads, pull it together.
This is maybe copper to be good.
It's at an angle, but whatever. You got a few threads on each one yet? Oh, there, bro. Oh.
How did it get so hot? Wow, that's bad.
Just move everything over. How far do you think it's off?
Let's just do it for now.
How the fuck? We, you know, it was, we checked this, but we never stepped back.
What?